Uh, Welcome guys to Arch. So today I showing how to use border and how to put color and how to customize like profession any Excel sheet. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all I the name. Okay, so first of all go to this option and write border. As you see this option. Okay. Sorry. Mhm. Also, you there is the option, right? Now I fill the color. Yeah. Now let me. Okay. So what I yeah. Now I give border. Now it's okay. So this is how we use border and also use color. Okay. So if you put color any cell or column, just select it and put the color. Okay, you also color the text. Just first of all select the um, specific any cell or row or column, then give it any color like I give somehow as you see, if you want to color the text, then use this option font color. And if you want to fill the color of any cell or uh, row or column, then you choose this. Okay, this is how you fill the color, also change the color of text and uh, use border. Okay, so for today, this is for today. Okay, bye bye guys.